Ever gotten a paper cut and wondered what's actually happening inside? It's not just a little ooey. It's a full-blown 5-alarm fire for your nervous system the moment you get injured. It's like a city-wide blackout in that tiny part of your body. All the communication lines, your nerves are severed, chaos. But then, the emergency crew arrives. Imagine microscopic electricians, little guys in tiny hard hats, scrambling to the scene. These are your Schwann cells, and they are in a total panic. They're running along the nerve fibers, which look like massive glowing pipelines, shouting things like, "We've got a break on line 7, and where's the insulation tape?" Their first job is damage control. They start cleaning up the mess, clearing out the debris from the damaged nerve endings. Think of it as a demolition crew clearing a collapsed tunnel. It's messy work, but someone's got to do it. They're munching away the old, broken parts of the nerve axon, making way for the new construction. It's a bit gruesome, but hey, it's efficient. Once the site is clear, the real magic begins. These little cellular electricians start laying down a new path, a sort of scaffold for the nerve to regrow along. They release these special growth factors, which are like glowing breadcrumbs, showing the new nerve fiber exactly where to go. You can picture them unspooling shimmering new wires, carefully guiding them through the tunnel they just cleared. The nerve fiber itself, the axon, starts to sprout a new tip, like a tiny green shoot pushing through soil. This little sprout, called a growth cone, sniffs its way forward, following the trail laid by our electrician friends. It's a slow, painstaking process. We're talking about growing at a rate of maybe 1 millimeter a day. That's like building a highway 1 pebble at a time. These little electricians are working around the clock, no coffee breaks, no holidays. They're rewrapping the new nerve fiber with a fresh layer of myelin, which is like the rubber insulation on an electrical cord. This ensures the signal can travel fast and without getting lost. They're double-checking connections, making sure everything is up to code. Sometimes, the wires get crossed. The new nerve fiber might take a wrong turn and connect to the wrong muscle or sensor. That's why recovery can be weird. You might feel a tingle in your thumb when you meant to move your pinky. It's just our panicked electricians having a whoops moment. But most of the time, they get it right. So next time you get a small injury, take a moment to appreciate the microscopic mayhem and the incredible construction project happening right under your skin. It's a testament to how amazing our bodies are at fixing themselves. It's a tiny universe of panic, but very dedicated electricians keeping your lights on. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this peek into your inner world, be sure to like and subscribe for more.